Great afternoon, students. I am Pooja, your maths educator, and in today's class, we'll learn 5th class maths, chapter number 3, exercise number 3. In the previous video, I explained you how to find the place value, and now in question number 5, we have to find using Indian system, find the place value of अंडरलाइन डिजिट. आपको प्लेस वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है. किसके फाइंड आउट करनी है? जिसके नीचे आपका अंडरलाइन है. नाउ हियर यू सी दैट द नंबर इज 9. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू राइट द प्लेसेस अपॉन द नंबर ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore. Now we see that our place value becomes, after multiplying the face value multiplied by place value, that is equal to face value multiplied by place. Now here we see that the place of the 9 is crore and the face value of 9 is 9. So we have to write 9 multiplied by 1 crore. We write this. Now 9 is the face value and 1 crore is the place value. The place, then after doing this, after multiplying the number, we get the place value, and the place value becomes 9 crore. This is the answer. Now let us see one more example of this type of question. Now the statement is this, and in this statement you have to find the place value of this 7. Again we follow the same process. First we write the places ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, then lakh, 10 lakh and crore and 10 crore. Now you see that 7 is at the place of lakh, so we find the place value of 7 by doing this. First we write the face value of 7, that is 7 itself, and after that you multiply by the place. Place is a lakh, so you multiply this number by lakh, and after multiplying this number we get the place value. So this is the place value. Place value of 7 is equal to 7 lakh. This is your answer. Clear this one? Now in question number 6, we have to write the following numbers in expanded form. Question number 6, write in expanded form. Expanded form means we have to given a number and we have to expand it. एक छोटा सा नंबर गिवन है और उस छोटे से नंबर को आपको बिगर लंबा बनाकर शो करना है, तो आप उसे किस तरह से स्ट्रेच करेंगे? यू राइट द नंबर विद देयर प्लेसेस. हम उसको उसके प्लेसेस से मल्टीप्लाई करके वी राइट इट दिस. क्लियर? Now I write a number 5,29,347. 5,29,347. Now we see that this number. First we write the places here: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, then lakh. Now here we see that 5 is at the place of lakh, so we multiply this number by lakh. After that, we see that 2 is at the place of 10,000. So we multiply 2 by 10,000. Now we see our next number and it is at the place of 1,000. So we multiply this number by 1,000, and after doing this we see the next number. Next number is 3 and it is at the place of 100. So we multiply this number by 100. After that 4 is at the place of 10. So we multiply by 10, and 7 is at the place of 1s. So we multiply this number by 1. Now after doing the multiplication we get this number becomes 5 lakh. Then this number becomes 20,000. That's 9,000 plus 300 plus 40 plus 7. Clear this one? This is the expanded form, and I hope that you understand this concept. Now we do the next question. Now in question number 8, we have to find counting in thousands. Thousands में counting करनी है. Write the number from this to this. We have to given the condition that we have to start to write our number from here till then this number. Now we write this number. First we write this number. 29,06,754. Here we see that it is ones, tens, hundred and thousand. Thousand place is this one. This is a 10,000 place, and this is a lakh, and this is 10 lakh. We have to work only these two numbers, because when we start our counting from 6, then when the number is 10, then the 10,000 place number is changed. That's why we have to write this number. First of all, we write 6. After 6, we get 7, then 8, then 9, then 10, and after that the number is 11. We write the number like this. Now we see here that 10,000 place is 0 here, so we fill this place by putting 0. Now after this we write these numbers as it is, like 754, 754, 754 and 754, and again this number 754. And here in the starting we have the number 29, so we also write this number by like this. Clear? Now we have to write all these numbers. This is our starting point and this is our ending. This is our starting point and this is our ending point. We have to write the numbers between these two numbers according to their thousand place. Is this clear? Now we do the next question. Now in the question number 9, it is given that counting in lakhs, write the number mean from this to this. Again the question is same, only the place is different, which we have to change. Now first of all we write this number here, 5,27,36,109. This is our starting point. And we write the places ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, then lakh, 10 lakh, and crore. Now we have to change check the number, this lakh and 10 lakh place. So we start to write this number change because we have to change the place of lakh. So here is a 27, next number is 20, next number is 8, next number is 9. We fill this 28, 29, and after 29 we get 30, and after that we get 31, and after that we have to at the step of 32. Clear? Now we fill all these places like this, and from the right side places also fill, and after doing this process we get all these numbers which lie between these two numbers. So this is our answer, and by doing this method we get our solution. Clear? So this one is your answer. Now clear? Now the next question, question number 10. In this question, this is also same question, but only the difference is that now in this question we have to check the place of करोड़. लाख के प्लेस पर हमें प्लेस चेक करना है करोड़ का. करोड़ के प्लेस को चेंज करते हुए वी हैव टू राइट द नंबर्स. And I hope that you do these questions yourself. Okay, bye. We do other parts of this question, this exercise in our next video.